questions. Considering how anti-Semitism is so rampant currently, I was wondering if it would be like too extreme of a decision to start buying books online as much as we can, because I don't know. I think that these people eventually are gonna go against to those who sell books online. So I don't know if it would be like an extreme measurement to, let's say, get as many as digital versions of the books as we can before these people that sell books, Jewish books online, are gonna be banned from selling them.
Why they wouldn't be banned? I understand.
Because of the anti-Semitism. I think, and I don't know. I have this feeling that these people are going to eventually go for the Jewish books, and for those who sell them. I don't know if this would be like too much of a.
I don't know. I think it's very far-fetched. I don't think so. So you want the books, so you can buy the books, but I don't think so. We have to be afraid of that. So and remember what happened with Corona. So it was people thought it's never going to end, even though it is around. But Hashem quieted down. So he delivered his message, took whatever people he was planning to take from this world to deliver his point across. I hope so. Right, and he stopped. So same with this thing. You understand? So we don't have to think too much ahead. Just live these days or concentrate on your mitzvah or today. What do I need to do? Don't think about the next book or this book, today book. Did I finish my 5 pages, 6 pages, 3 pages that I was planning on or not? That's the most important mitzvah.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
So in regards to the same issue of the digital books, let's say if I wanted to buy, for example, ArtScroll sells this iPad,
yes,
which is loaded with all of the ArtScroll library.
Yes.
So I was wondering if getting it and not reading all the content that is within would be sort of like bringing a judgment upon the person, considering what I've said about not reading books. So does that apply with digital versions of the books?
No, if you read some of them and have some of them for reference, I'm not sure it's the way I understand it's very complicated, not complicated, sophisticated application. So you can highlight things, you can cut and paste, meaning create your own notes. It's very sophisticated, very interesting. So I guess my guess. It's only logical when you can search throughout all of the library, right? So you would type in the topic, for example, or name, or whatever, and see what else it says in other books or in other commentaries, with this name. So it's very interesting. So you, in some sense, when you do that, you would utilize all the whole library, right, as a reference. So there is no problem of what we said before, especially with digital. Do they have all of the books? They don't have all of the books, but many, the most popular, I think they do have, but not all of the books. They have 30,000 books. I don't know how many. A lot. 5. I don't know. A lot. 3,000. I don't know.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.